I've already mashed up, well, I've already crushed some of the ginger, and then I've already crushed some of the turmeric. This is how I crush my turmeric and my ginger. Like that. Be careful with the knife. Then afterwards, you can the camera shift out by all the shaking. So that's pretty much how you crush the ginger, and then you come like this to basically smush it out. There you go. So all the turmeric has been squished out, all the ginger have been smushed out. I'm gonna go ahead now and place this in the water to just boil. Let's see how we place this in this water. And the reason why we actually crush the ginger and the turmeric, it's because you want the flavor as well, the flavor to come out of the ginger and the turmeric. If you do not mash it up, if you do not crush it out, you're just gonna place it in the water and then nothing comes out. So you have to do that all the nutrients, all the flavors are released easily. You're just gonna cover it and let it boil. Alright, so right now it's boiling. You can see that the color of the turmeric has released. And right now all I'm smelling is turmeric and ginger in my house, and it smells so good. Just look at that. I'm gonna let it boil for around 5 to 3 to 6 minutes because I love to ensure that all the nutrients are fully extracted. But you try not to boil it too much because you might boil out all of the nutrients, and then it wouldn't make any sense that you're drinking this. Okay, so the turmeric tea is all ready. I poured it out. Usually I use honey, but I do not have any honey, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of brown sugar. Not too much, just a little bit like this. Just to like get a little bit of pumpkin flavor. Tea. I always love the color of turmeric tea. Time for me to enjoy this. Look at the steam. Turmeric and ginger tea.